A Supreme Court of Guam courtroom crowded with family, friends, former students, and island leaders on Wednesday, all whose lives were touched by retired Judge Anita Sukola. The Guam judiciary presenting her with this year's Hostitia Award, honoring her significant contributions to improving the administration of justice and good government, Chief Justice Robert J. Torres.
For more than 3 decades, Judge Sukola has served our island in many roles. Before she put on her robe, she stood in front of a classroom, teaching students, leading young minds, and setting the tone for a lifetime of service.
He describes how she balanced the demands of the law with a compassion for people that was reflected in her courtroom decisions.
And when others might have chosen a one-size-fits-all approach to punishment, she chose the harder path, to understand, to intervene, to give people a reason and a way to move forward.
Governor Lou Leon Guerrero weighs in on the values that shaped Sukola's career as a former educator, attorney, public defender, and Superior Court judge.
We talked about culture, and we talked about the importance of working hard to preserve our culture, and to preserve our language, and to preserve the great values that make us a unique culture. The values of compassion, kindness, generosity, but most of all, the value of fairness.
For former Governor Carl Gutierrez, those values were demonstrated in her unwavering dedication to fighting for justice for all, even when they couldn't pay.
She was never someone driven by a desire for accolades or self-enrichment, but always driven by the desire to help those most in need of her services, those who need someone to advocate on their behalf.
And Judge Sukola shares deep gratitude for the recognition.
And I thank all my family who are here today with me. Thank you for being here. My friends, my colleagues, throughout my life have been my support and inspiration to achieve success. I share this Hostitia Award with you.
Mitsuki Hirayama, KUAM News.